how to redeem Noise gift card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. So in today's video we are going to be learning how we can redeem Noise gift cards, so make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to redeem Noise gift card, all you have to do is just open up your browser, then just go to the Noise website, which is gonoise.com. I will make sure to drop a direct link down below as well. To redeem it, all you have to do is select the products that you want to purchase and then add them to your cart section. In my case, I've already added a product to my cart, so I'll just click on the cart icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once I click on the cart icon from the top right, you can just review your products, and then under it you can see pay via card wallet or UPI or COD. So basically I'm going to select card and wallet over here, and it is on the payment method or the checkout page where you have to actually enter the gift card. So all you have to do is on the right hand side you'll be able to see the section that is gift card or discount code. So basically all you need to do is just go ahead and then actually enter your gift card code. In this case, once you enter your gift card code over here, all you have to do is, if the gift card code is correct, just click on the apply button. Depending upon the value of the gift card or the promo code, it is going to be successfully applied to make some discounts for this product over here, and then just click on confirm button. And that is it on how you can actually redeem your Noise gift card. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you in the next video.